welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm combining two of my favorite things into one drawing. Can you guess what it is? Well, let me tell you, it is ice cream, which is perfect this summer, and cats. So today I'm going to be doing a drawing of ice cream cats. Starting off, I'm going to be doing stacks of cats on top of each other, almost like they're like stacks of ice cream on a cone. So I'm going to start off by drawing the cat's head. So I'm going to draw 3 kitty cats. If you like, you can draw like 4 or 5, or like a really tall stack of ice cream, so like 22 different cats. So there's lots of ideas and lots of ways you can play around with that. So you can see I already have finished off my first cat on the top. Here I'm going to draw the third cat to show you how it will look like. And they're just stacked right on top of each other. Here are the 2 arms. And of course there's the tail. You need to make sure you have tails for all of your kitties accounted for. And then I'm gonna have this last kitty stacked on with the hind legs still sticking out. And I have to add a tail for this kitty as well at the end. There you go. So I have like 3 kitties stacked on top of each other. Like I mentioned, you can have more. So if you're doing this as a birthday card, imagine if you have a friend who's 8 years old, you could do 8 kitties stacked on each other, and then there'll be a happy birthday sign. So that's another idea. So next you need to make sure you have a cone to represent, like this is ice cream, right? So you need an ice cream cone. So it's like a triangle, but the end is not as sharp. So it's like a little bit more round and dull. So you have the basic shape of this ice cream cat at this point. But there are a few things missing. What am I missing? I guess I'm missing some faces for my kitties. So now I'm gonna add on some faces. You can have some large eyes, small eyes. Some could be sleeping, some could be winking. So there's different ways. You have different expressions for your cats. You don't have to copy exactly what I have. But of course, don't forget to add whiskers to your kitties. Your whiskers could be really short, really long, or there could be like many whiskers coming out of one or the other. So here I'm going to add some pattern to the cone itself so that you can tell it is an ice cream cone. So I'm going to do some hash work here, and then I'm going to start coloring my kitties. Now there's several choices of approaching this. You may think about like, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? So if your favorite ice cream flavor is, let's say, chocolate, so you may want to have one cat that's brown, or another color that you like, maybe like vanilla cat, so you'll leave that cat white. Or if you really like strawberry, you can have a strawberry pink cat. So you can have like many different color cats. Of course, for the cone, I have a waffle cone, so I'm just using this kind of lighter orange color. Or you can also choose to have a chocolate cone too, right? So then you'll have a brown cone. So there's lots of different ways you can play around with it. For me, I'm actually going to color in all of the cats the same color. But I think for you, you might want to have like different colors. Maybe you want Napoleon flavor. So there's like one brown cat, one pink cat, and one white one. And you can think about like who you're potentially gifting this drawing to. Is to your mom and dad. Maybe their favorite flavor is coffee, cappuccino, or maybe chocolate mint, in which case you'll have to do a green kitty with little brown dots on it, which may not look great, but I think I'm almost wrapped up for this drawing. So this one is a pretty quick and easy drawing of my ice cream cats. actually was like a lot of fun to draw. I'd love to hear from you guys if you have other ideas for other drawings I should do, whether it be cartoon characters or animals. I would love to hear from you. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and hopefully I will see you next time in another drawing video, step-by-step drawing with Sharon. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.